Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MyDataVersion. So today we have a notification for internship or traineeship program for data analytics from the company Mid2Risi or short form MTE. So for those who don't know about MTE, MTE is a global healthcare company, provides informational resources in the field of healthcare and provides analytical solution to their partner globally. Now let's jump into the training modules and responsibility. So in week 1 and 2, they will be providing training for all candidates who will be selected. On week 3rd, candidate will be working on the live projects assigned to them by the company. On week 4th, candidates will be preparing a project report and submit to the company. So if you are fresher with zero experience, you should definitely apply for this opportunity because here they will give you training, will give you live projects and will give you company exposure. Now about the eligibilities for the trainees. So if you have done your graduation, technical or non-technical, or you are pursuing, you can apply for it. You should have proficiency with computer and especially MS Office, high level of accountability and motivation, strong interpersonal time project management, presentation, leadership, communication skills, creativity and ability to delegate responsibilities, willingness to meet deadlines. So as you can see, the requirement is quite simple and very straight. And if you are new to this channel, like, comment, subscribe for more such updates. Thanks for watching.